Have you ever found yourself in a situation whereby you have a meeting, a party, a dinner date to attend? You open your wardrobe, there are so many pieces there are so many clothing there, but you don't know what to wear. You don't know which outfit to pick. You feel you don't have clothing, but actually there are so many pieces in your wardrobe, but you don't just know what to pick. So today we'll be building a capsule wardrobe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. Welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle. We do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. So on today's video, we'll be building a capsule wardrobe. A wardrobe capsule is simply defined as a small curated collection of different outfits, different clothing that fits your lifestyle. These clothing easily mix and match effortlessly. So on today's video, we'll be building a wardrobe capsule, and you want to ask yourself, why do you want to be a wardrobe capsule? Why do you want to go through the stress of building a wardrobe capsule? The first reason why you have to build a wardrobe capsule is that it saves time. Finding yourself in a situation whereby you have a meeting or a party or a dinner date to attend, you won't go through the stress of thinking what outfit to wear or what to style or how you're going to pair this outfit. If already you have your capsule wardrobe, you can easily pick this outfit without so much stress. And the next reason why you want to be your capsule wardrobe is that it saves money. In a capsule wardrobe, you have fewer purchases and a smarter choice, so you're buying just what you want and just what you need at every given point. And the next reason why you want to build a capsule wardrobe is that environmental friendly, since it promotes sustainability and reduce waste. Because if actually you have a whole wardrobe and there are so many outfits, from time to time, you want to recycle some of your outfits that you feel are not useful during that period, or you feel they are out of fashion or they are outdated. So those are the reasons why you want to build a capsule wardrobe. We're going to cover the following steps. First, analyzing your lifestyle, selecting color palette, decluttering, building essentials, and maintaining this wardrobe capsule. So we are going to share this into subtopics, and now we are going to begin with the first one, which is analyzing your lifestyle. Within your wardrobe capsule, you want to understand your lifestyle. You want to analyze your lifestyle. Are you a 9-to-5 person? Are you an outing person? Are you a stay-at-home? Are you a work from home? You want to analyze this lifestyle so that you will be able to choose good pieces, correct pieces that matches your lifestyle. The wardrobe capsule should actually reflect how you spend your time and not how you want to dress. So analyzing your lifestyle is very important when building your wardrobe capsule. In helping you determine how you can analyze your lifestyle, we are going to use a pie chart. On this lifestyle pie chart, we are going to include what percentage of time you spend at work, what percentage of time you spend on social errands, what percentage of time you spend on casual errands, and what percentage of time you spend on active wear. So the breakdown will help you prioritize what kind of outfit you should go for, what kind of outfit you should include in your wardrobe capsule. The pie chart above, you notice this person spends most of the time at work. So if you spend most of the time at work, you want to invest in classic blazers, trousers, or blouses. These outfits, you can dress with them while going for work. And sorry guys, my mic went off and I didn't have the slightest idea, so I'm just going to continue with a voiceover. And from the lifestyle pie chart, if you notice you are more of a stay-at-home person, you work from home, or you mostly do casual activities or casual events, you want to go in for casual outfits, you want to go in for comfortable outfits, as this is going to enable you stay comfortable and classy at home. So now let's move to the next point that we want to put into consideration while building your wardrobe capsule. The next point we have is to choose color palettes. Choosing a color palette is very important in building your capsule wardrobe, since it's a cohesive palette that ensures everything works together, making mixing and matching easier. In creating your color palette, for base colors, you want to go in for neutrals like black, white, gray, navy, or beige. And for accent colors, you want to go in for bold, few, and soft colors like mustard, blush pink, or forest green. These add personalities to your wardrobe, and it helps build that perfect capsule wardrobe for you. For your accessories, you want to go in for metallics like gold or silver tones. This adds more polish to your looks, and this is very, very important when building your capsule wardrobe. Building your capsule wardrobe, you want to make your appearance look elegant at any given point in time. You want to make sure any outfit you choose from your capsule wardrobe are elegant and fitting for the occasion that you want to attain. So you want to include jewelries like gold jewelries or silver jewelries for that polished look. And now we're going to move to the next one, which which is to declutter and audit your closet. First of all, you want to take everything out from your closet, lay them on your bed or on the floor. While doing this, it's going to enable you to see each and every pieces and know which pieces and what pieces you want to choose and which one you want to throw away, right? So the next step is to sort in the price. So you want to sort each of these items to keep the one that are still good or that are still in good condition and also aligned with your lifestyle that you have analyzed in the second point above. And also do not forget your color palette. So the pieces you're choosing, they should align with your lifestyle and also your color palette. And after that is done, you want to throw the ones that are not necessary again, that are not in good shape, or yeah, you want to throw them out and keep the ones that you have selected, because the whole essence of this process is basically to select what you want to select and throw away or give it out or donate what you want to donate based on your lifestyle. Yes, yes, I understand. Sometimes letting go some of our outfits are not very, very easy. I know. I'm also one of those people. If you are, then yes, know that I am also. Letting out one of those outfits, there are some outfits that to let it out is not just that easy. So, but I know in this case, we are trying to build your wardrobe capsule and you want to let go of those pieces. If you don't let them go, it's just going to pile up everything. It's just going to make your closet full for no good reason. And more to that, there are those outfits that you might not put them on. So it is preferable you let it go. I know it's painful, but we have to do it, right? Now let's move to the next point, which is after those outfits have been selected from your closet, after those clothings have been selected, the ones that needs to be donated have been done, the ones that needs to be kept based on your lifestyle and your color palette have been kept. You want to start building a core wardrobe. In building a core wardrobe, we have already our checklist, so you want to make sure your checklist is being checked. Like for tops, you have your neutral t-shirt, you have your button ups, you have your blouses, and for bottoms you have a pair of dark jeans, you have tailored trousers, you have versatile skirts, and for outwear you have a classic blazer, you have a trench coat, you have a demi jacket. For shoes you have sneakers, you have flats and ankle boots, and for dresses you have your little black dress. That's a must. Like no matter what you want to do, no matter how you want to do it, you must have a little black dress or a casual day dress. For your accessories, few scarves, you have your belt, you have your jewelry to tie the outfit together. So after all of this is being checked, so your checklist is being checked. Now you have created a core wardrobe and all the pieces are in checked, they are intact. So for the number of pieces that you want to have in this core wardrobe pattern, now it should be around 25 to 40 pieces, including the shoes and the accessories. So everything together, it should be around 25 to 40 pieces. And now we're going to move to the next one, which is to fill the gaps. Now we want to move to the next one, which is to fill in the gaps. So after you have selected all the outfits that needs to be, you're maintaining your color palette, you want to fill in the gaps. You want to identify pieces that are missing. Might be you need a pair of versatile black pants or a comfortable pair of sneakers. So you want to go in for these additional pieces. And also while going in for these additional pieces, you want to stick into the color and the palette. And also do not forget your lifestyle needs. So you don't just want to go and buy any kind of pant. You want to buy a pant that is based on your lifestyle and also on the color palette which you've created. You want to invest in quality over quantity. Look for durable fabrics and timeless skirts. You want to also explore thrift stores or consignment shops or sustainable brands that is going to help you achieve these quality pieces for your capsule wardrobe. Now we want to move to maintaining your capsule wardrobe. After all of this has been arranged, after all of this is been set and done, you want to maintain your capsule wardrobe. You want to regular audit your capsule wardrobe. That's assessing your capsule wardrobe after every 6 months to ensure your wardrobe still fits your personal lifestyle and still maintains your color palette. Also, you want to use proper hangers and storage methods to keep your clothes in good shape. Now, you need to be flexible. Your capsule wardrobe isn't a stone. So you need to be flexible. You need to allow yourself to swap into trendy or sentimental pieces occasionally. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If actually you did enjoy this video, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. And also you want to recommend this video to your friends, to your colleagues, to your sisters, to your neighbors. Yeah, so guys, that is it for this video, and see you guys in my video. Bye.